In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to convert any USDZ file to AMF format using MiConvert's free online converter. Step 1. Open Google and type us to AMF MiConvert. Click the first search result to open the converter page. Step 2. You should now see the USDZ to AMF converter page. Everything you need is right here on one page. Step 3. Click Choose File. Find your USDZ file in the file browser, select it, and click Open to upload it. Step 4. Your file is now uploaded. Review the details shown on screen, then click Convert Now to start converting. Step 5. Wait for the conversion to finish. The progress bar shows how much is done. It won't take long. Final step. Click the Download button to save your converted AMF file. That's the entire process, simple and free. You've just converted USDZ to AMF in under a minute. Visit MiConvert.com for more tools. Subscribe for more guides.